This is one of Lasfit's newest products. It is a portable battery jump starter. Starting off with the unboxing, this is what the product looks like. It's nicely packed in this nice looking box from Lasfit. On the side, that's what it looks like. Lithium ion jump starter. Lasfit logo in the front. Piece of foam on top, which we can get rid of. That's your standard charger. Pull this guy out. This is the jump starter itself. I like this light blue color. It looks a little unique because usually battery jump starters are either just plain black or the one that I have is yellow and black. But we have lights right here, which we'll be testing out later, and it has intelligent detection. When you plug this in the battery, it automatically detects what voltage this would pump out to jumpstart your car. So that's pretty cool. We have a DC in to charge this device. So it has a little flap cover right there. And then we have our battery percentages. It goes all the way to 25, 50, 75 to 100. We have a USB slot right here so that you can charge your devices just in case you get stuck in the middle of the road, or you can even use this when you're out camping, or if you run out of electricity, just pull this bad boy out of your car and you can charge the phone. Right here we have a battery indicator button as well as your lights. So if I were to press that, this is the lights. We have two little light bulbs right there. It's LED. Press it again, it'll flash. Press it 3 times, it'll blink SOS signal. And then we turn it around. We have our negative terminal and our positive terminal. On the back, as you can see, we have all the information, including the instructions and then the voltage outputs on each mode. So there is a 12 volt mode and a 24 volt mode. And like I said, it automatically detects what kind of voltage this needs to pump out when you're trying to jumpstart your vehicle. It weighs about, I would say like 5 pounds, it feels like. But yeah, I really like the design, I like the color. Nice and unique, nice and compact, and it stores a lot of battery juice. So this will last you for multiple jump starts. So I haven't used the car in about a week, and I still have my underglows plugged in. I think that's the one that's draining the battery. So my battery completely died. As you can see, I used my key to open up the car. And if we go inside, try to start the car, nothing happens because there's like absolutely no power. So easy fix. So just open this up right here, and on your battery it tells you how many volts it is. So it's a 12 volt battery. So you want to do positive first, connect to the positive terminal. Then you gotta take the negative terminal. Make sure you don't cross wires, okay? You gotta take the negative terminal, put it on the negative side. So it turns on by itself, and it's indicating that it's a 12 volt battery. Okay. All right, so now it has power. Start the car. Start it up with no problem. Any warning lights? No warning lights. So there you go. That's how you start your car. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the negative terminal first. Okay? And then you're gonna take the positive terminal. Now we can just leave the car running for about 15 minutes. You can also drive around. What I do is I turn off everything. So I unplug pretty much everything. If you're not going to be driving this, that way the battery would charge up faster. You don't necessarily have to do this, but this is what I like to do. I just unplug everything. That way power won't be drawing from the battery while the alternator charges the battery. And you might notice that your radio is turned off once you complete running out of battery. So it has an anti-theft system. The system has lost power. Push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to enable the system. So it's this button right here. So press and hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Then you're gonna hear a little beep. And then your system would start up like normal, just like that. So it's been about 30 minutes almost since I turned this on. I didn't drive this or anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off. And this will be good. Oh, it's beeping because I left this on. Yeah, because I touched with the headlights. But yeah, that's pretty much how you jumpstart your car, guys. Make sure you have your key fob on you, just in case anybody's sleeping, or if it's in the middle of the night, you don't want to wake anybody up. Just make sure you have this on you, that way you can turn off the alarm. And we still have a full charge left. Sorry for the background noise, but I just wanted to show you guys once again the Lasfit bag, or Lasfit trunk organizer. So this is basically a perfect spot to put this battery jumper in, because there's multiple pockets in this storage organizer. Personally, this is what I usually keep inside my organizer. So we have a Lasfit jumper, and then of course I have an extra microfiber towel, detail spray, first aid kit. I know this says Volkswagen, but that's because I got this from my old car. I have another bag. This contains my microphone for my camera, and I have a bunch of gloves and stuff like for the winter. I keep my gloves in here. I know it's summer right now, but I just keep it here and close that up. Then on the other side I have a bunch of clean microfiber cloths, just in case I decide to go to like a car wash and I need microfiber towels. Usually this side right here, this is where I keep my camera equipment. And then sometimes if I'm going grocery shopping, I can easily just put these microfiber towels here, and then I can stuff my groceries in here. So this is really convenient to have, especially if you want to keep your trunk organized like me. And it doesn't take up that much space, and you can put a lot of stuff in there, and it's also collapsible. Like I said, I also made a video of this on my channel, so if you want to go check that out, it's gonna be right here. And again, if you want this product, link will be down in the description. Use my code CTFK7 for an additional 10% off. So this is charged at 100%, even though I jump started 2 cars already. So the white car, and then I saw people in need on the side of the road. I went ahead and jump started their car. If we take a look at the light, let's take a look. Look how bright that is, guys. You know, Lasfit is known for their floor mats and lighting, especially their lighting, because if you see over here, look at that, you can see the light rays hit the car. Look at that. And if we go over here outside, hopefully you guys can see this. That tree is pitch black. I'm gonna shine some light on it. Look at that. And that tree has to be at least 20 feet away from me, and it's still really bright. So this will come in handy if you're trying to look for something inside your car, or if you're trying to send an SOS signal. It flashes like that. It also flashes like that. Like I said, guys, this light is super bright. I'm gonna take it back all the way over here, and you can see just how bright this light is. Look at that. All the way there. We can actually go over here. And we'll see. We'll go right here. You can see all the way down there once this car passes. See that? And literally standing 100 feet. This is like on the other side of the road, and we can see just how bright this light is once these cars passes. Light off, light on. Wow. But yeah guys, I highly recommend this product. It is one of the must-haves that anyone should be bringing with them inside of their car, because you never know, you might meet a stranger out there that needs help jump starting their car, or yourself might need a jump start for some reason. So this is really handy. If you guys want this product or this Lasfit bag, be sure to check out the description. Use my code CTFK7 for 10% off. Please support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel, because I do upload FK7 and FK8 videos on the channel. Pretty soon I'm going to be uploading some Honda Accord videos. So 10th gen Hondas pretty much I make videos of on the channel. So again guys, thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7. Peace out.